Ah, late night gaming's almost as fun as watching someone else play. Ah yes, the table. Mankind's last hope against monsters.
Oh.
Maybe you should leave the curtains up. But at least now you've got your own fort. Now it's starting to look like a little stage.
Oh.
And how cute. You've got a little window. Ah, did I say window? Make that flower. Make that flowers.
Wow. Oh.
Good idea. Netting will help keep out the monsters. What are you doing with that ribbon? Oh wow, it's like a curtain for the curtains.
Wow.
Hiding's kind of boring. What else can we do? These pool noodles might help. Go ahead, split them in half. Lie them down, and you've got something soft to lie on. A mop? Let's plant them up on top and give this fort a roof. Good idea. Some strong tape will help keep them in place. Still, this roof seems pretty bare. Let's cover it up. Cut an opening, and it can be a makeshift tent, too. So make sure to do this with a blanket that you can afford to lose. I wonder what we can do with these jeans next. Well, for starters, we're cutting it up. And making measurements.
Oh.
And don't forget to add those little touches, like some yarn and hot glue. Cut up the yarn down the middle. Look at it open up. Keep on adding the yarn, and soon you'll have a cute little rug. This fort just keeps looking better and better. What more can we do? With these stickers, we can enjoy the night sky without the whole outdoors thing.
Ooh.
Turn off the lights and they also work as night lights that won't hurt your electric bill.
Oh.
What's next? Please be a TV. Oh, a basketball. A deflated basketball. Anybody out there who didn't think she'd bring out those scissors? Oh, so that's what the inside looks like. But what can we do with it? Now that's a creative way to dress up a houseplant. And with a plant in here, we'll just be drowning in oxygen.
Ooh.
Perfect. Let's add some toys. That's always a great idea. Yeah. Good thing all those Pop-It toys broke her fall. And now she's cutting up the buttons because, of course she is. Oh, please don't tell me she's looking for more stuff to cut up. Actually, that's pretty clever. Now it's like a little lamp. And you can hang a bunch of them in all this open air.
Oh.
But what's a sky full of stars without the whole world? Just clean it up and spruce up that handle. A globe has to look its best.
Wow.
A paint job? Now how will we learn about countries? I guess there's always the internet. Purple, black, and white. It looks like the cosmos now. And there's nothing that can't be improved by adding glitter. Did you ever get the feeling that we're being watched? Coast seems clear. Great. Looks like he got to the scissors too. On the plus side, we have a place to stash all of this candy. With all this stuff, will there still be room for the rest of us? Ooh, we have some extra ribbons. Let's decorate the outside. Aw, Huggy Wuggy wants to share his candy. See, he wants to be friends. And honestly, how can you not trust that big smile? That big, toothy smile.
Bonus episode!
Time for a fun day at the park, and all our friends are here. But it doesn't look like they're going to take turns. Or anyone else here for that matter. Oh, don't cry. Maybe we can make our own fun. Or just go home and watch TV. Or take a tire from an abandoned car. Any guesses what she's up to? For starters, she's cutting it up. And this ain't a job for scissors. And a nice paint job will help perk things up. And good thing she has a bunch of wood to help with this project. Secure 2 blocks to a long plank and add the tire on top. It looks like a teeter-totter, but we still need some handles. And this Pop-It toy will make a nice seat. Unfortunately, the problem with teeter-totters is that they require more than one person. Aw, turns out she had a friend all along.
Wow!
Can we make a roller coaster next? Clearing the table's the easy part. Covering it, not so much. Ah, watch out! It was him all along, and he would have gotten away with it too. But that mask was too hot. Catch you next time.